G'day Trendsetter, Stuart here, and today I just want to bring you up to date with how the Tibouchina tip cuttings are getting along. So back in late August, so 8-9 weeks ago, I took these cuttings. I'll put a link to the video I made of me taking these cuttings, and I had 7, 2 failed, if you like, for the want of a better word, more than likely from mistakes I made. One, I think the cutting was just too small, and the second one you'll see in the first video, when I pinched the flower tips out, I also nicked the 2 buds in the leaf axil below, and it just didn't thrive. But I've got 5 out of 7, which I'm more than happy with. How can I tell is basically they're showing signs of growth, simply. There's a new vigour in the leaves, and there is new shoots coming out of the leaf axils, and so they're showing signs of growth. There's no signs. You can usually, sometimes you can see roots will be protruding out the bottom of the pot, which will give you a good idea that they've struck as well. So I've had them in the shade for a while now. I'm going to have to start hardening them off so as I can pot them on into a better potting mix. I'll also start giving them some liquid fertiliser, just an organic, what do they call themselves, power feed, liquid power feed fertiliser, half strength, because it's only a new and possibly small root system. Once they probably double their size again, so in another month, then I'll pot them up into bigger pots, and that'll probably be it until I'm ready to plant them in the garden. At the same time, I also took some fuchsia cuttings and some tip cuttings. They were all tip cuttings of a dahlia, the Bishop of Llandulph dahlia that I had, and they've all struck, and they're growing well. They're at work, I can't show you them. So that's it. I'm happy to say that we've had success. Tip cuttings of Tibouchina in spring seems to work. I've been looking at my other Tibouchinas. This is a little white flowering shrubby one, but there's the big purple ones at work, and they're still showing good signs of strong growth at this stage, late October, early November. So I still think as long as you've got that new tip growth, there's nothing stopping you from taking cuttings right through the spring season. Probably summer it'll all start slowing down and hardening off, and you won't get as good a strike. But I'm more than happy with the results. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you subscribed. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers as YouTube wants us to, so I can monetize the site again. 2,000 or 4,000 subscribers is even better, but that's the goal for now. So if you liked that or found it anyway useful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Cheers for now.